Hi friends, JBM everyone. Good afternoon to all. Friends, today I am going to share to you about the motorcycle. Friends, from the our Kodada constituency, Kodada town of the Suryapeta district, there from one stringent drive was conducted by the town police officials and the traffic police officials, including DSP, SP. Friends, the police crushed the 40 seized silencers. Friends, the police officials, they were jointly conducted the drive, the stringent drive. After then, first they were by the special enforcement drive was conducted for the identify of the those motorcycle. After then they seized those motorcycle and they stated at the Ranga Theatre junction. After then those which are the illegally modified silencer motorcycle, they were after the seized, they were destroyed the in front of the public and people at the Ranga Theatre junction with the roller, and they warned and they given the stringent warning to the who are the motorcyclers and bikers who are using that illegal modified silencer. Friends, what is the modified silencer? What that give the cause? What is the problem in so? Friends, nowadays we all are well knew the many members, especially youth, they are using the which is the modified silencers, and they are completely destroying the society, and they completely giving the more than more pollution to the society and people and public. Friends, when those modified silencer bikes going through the anywhere at the time, friends, so much of the problem rising, and so much of the problem rising, and the who are the people and public, especially the senior citizens and children and patients, all are getting the problem, and they all are feeling the inconvenience while those modified silencer bikes going the through their area. That's why the police officials, they given the strict and stringent the action to the who are the motorcyclers, and they conducted against to them, and they were seized the 40 motorcycles, and they after they destroyed those silencers, and friends, they confiscated those, and they seized, and after then destroyed. Friends, completely the society destroying by the which is the modified silencers, and they completely violating the friends, the traffic rules, and they completely the unfollow the which is the rules and regulations. That's why the police officials with the friends, the DSP Srinivas Reddy, and the town CI Sivashankar, and traffic SI the Anji Reddy, and the SP Narsimha, they all are involved, and they combinedly taken the drive, and they strictly given the warning, especially SP. He given the strictly warning to who are the motorcyclists who are using the, which is the modified silencers, and would be found those motorcycle. After then we would taken the strict and stringent action on them, and we would impose on them the hefty fine. We would impose on them hefty fine, such like warning they were given. And the further stated that the police would continue to monitor the monitor and take any action against anyone disturbing public and peace through the such violations. He also appealed to the youth to act the responsibility and follow the traffic rules, and avoid the road accident, especially. Friends, nowadays many road accidents also registering, and many members were died by the accident. We all are well knew. That's why for the avoid of the accidents, and for the avoid of the violation and pollution by those motorcycle, they were conducted, and they were taken the good step, good drive. That's why really I am appreciating them who were involved on that drive. Really I am heartfully appreciating them. The DSP and the SP, CI, SI, all are they were interpreted on that drive, and all were given the strict and stringent warning to the who are the bikers and who are the owners of the those motorcycle, and won't repeat in the future, and won't give the troublesome to the people and public, and especially patients and the children. Friends, the heavy sound, and which is the that silencer, which is the modified silencer. That silencer give the heavy sound. At the time, we all are getting the problem, and the that completely become a violation. And the pollution also that produce, which is the silencers, the modified silencer, the pollution also produce. That's why no one use, and I am also urging to them who are using the, which is the illegally modified silencer. I am also urging them, and at the same time I am also sending this message to especially those people, those fellows who are using those silencers, won't use. And the SP furtherly, SP also warned them, won't use the, which is the modified silencer, shouldn't must to use the which is the company fitted silencer. Friends, when we going to buy the any vehicle, at the time the company give and company fit the silencer. But some fellows, they are wantedly, reportedly, purportedly they are exchange the silencers, and they are fit the, which is the modified silencer. That modified silencer, what is the cause, which type of problem that will be reduce, that's like we are we that which type of problem that will be give, we all are won't thought, and who are the users also, they couldn't take the any responsibility. That's why that violation day to day increasing and continuing. For the controlling, for the curb those modified silencer violation, the police officials taken the good step. Really, I am heartfully appreciating them for their responsibility, and I am urging to the across the Telangana department police officials across the will be taken the such like drive and across the Telangana, and should be control them, should be curb them, and should be give the peace to people and public. This is my voice, and I am appealing them. Thank you everyone. Jai Bhim. Friends, what is your opinion? Comment it. Thank you. Jai Bhim.